I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen mini wontons in the air fryer. So here I have a package of frozen wontons. They're pork and vegetable flavor, but you can use any flavor with mini wontons. The instructions are the same for cooking them in the air fryer. So let me open up the package and take out the air fryer basket. And let's put the mini wontons in the air fryer basket in a single layer. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the mini wontons. Look at that, they're perfectly cooked, so nicely brown. They look amazing. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Now let me just cut them so you can see that they're fully cooked inside. So they're nicely brown on the outside and they're perfectly cooked inside. So good. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. They taste amazing. Crispy on the outside and juicy and hot on the inside. Perfect. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen mini wontons. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!